everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Dollar Tree Halloween crafts. Let's get started. Here's everything you're going to need for your project. In total, this cost me $8. I found the bugs in the toy section of the Dollar Tree. The wood plaques can be found in the craft section, as well as the die-cut butterflies. I found the mirror and the frames in the same aisle, just where they keep the frames. Here are some extras you might need to finish the project. Today I'll be using spray paint, my glue gun and glue sticks, and my scissors. Here's everything I'm going to be taking outside to spray paint. Prep your frame by removing the backing and taking out everything, leaving just the frame's edge. You can paint these whichever color you prefer, but today I'll be painting my frame and my plaques a matte black finish, and my bugs I'll be painting bronze. Make sure you get the sides really well if you're using spray paint. Sometimes that can get left behind. The bee's wings are removable. It takes a little bit of effort, and they also pop right back into place pretty easily. So if you want a fully covered look, try to take the wings off. That way you can spray the bee's body and the wings separately, and when you reattach them, they'll look really, really nice. Now that the paint is done drying, our second step is to assemble everything together. So for the first project, I'm just putting only the glass back in the frame and closing up the enclosures on the back. The next thing I'm going to do is add these little butterflies. Today I'm using a small blue one and a slightly larger yellow and green one. First you're going to place them where you want, and then you're going to take your hot glue gun when you're ready and just put a line of glue right in the middle. Then just press the butterflies down where you want them and get the wings a little bit of a flutter so that they look like they're popping off of the glass and not just pieces of paper laying flat. Same thing for the second butterfly, and you can put these wherever you want. This is just how I wanted to do it. And there, you're done. Project complete. Very easy. Our next project, I'm using this mirror here, and I just found this with the frames in the same aisle. I'm taking the largest butterfly I have in a different color and running the glue straight down the center. I'm placing my butterfly right in the middle. It just makes for a cute little design without spending very much money. I took my bugs and I placed them on the plaques just to see where I wanted them and where exactly their bodies touched the wood. And I went ahead and used my glue gun to put the glue on the areas where it touched. Now you'll see here the glue is kind of melting the paint, and that's perfectly fine. It's gonna harden anyway, so you really won't see it, so don't get too worried if that happens to you. Press your bug down firmly on the plaque and just let it harden for a minute, and it's done. These will stay on pretty well as long as you're not trying to actively rip it off. They're gonna stay. With the bee, it really only touches on its nose and on its bottom. So when you're putting glue on the bee, only put glue in those two areas, and then just press firmly and hold, wait till it hardens a bit, and done. Here is a collection of all your spooky projects finished and displayed on a nice little bookshelf. I hope you guys liked this project. If you get a chance to create it, make sure you tag me on Instagram at Jamie Nay so that I can share your creations with the rest of the world. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this one a big thumbs up, and stay tuned for a lot more Halloween tutorials to come. Thanks for watching. Stay spooky.